In this video, we will provide an overview of the key commissioning items during the installation process of our door operator products. Once the operator is installed and powered per the installation instructions, inputs to activate the door and any safety devices must be wired into the terminal strip. Any normally open momentary input will suffice. There is a wiring hookup legend label on the inside of the cover, as well as in each manual. All typical functions are standard with each operator. Reference the label number for each terminal with the corresponding notes listed below for each input required. The operator is set to run at a nominal speed from the factory. It is the installer's responsibility to adjust the motor control speed trim pots so that the speed of the door adheres to the ANSI chart for closing time allotment listed on the label on the inside of the cover for the size and weight of the installed door. While the times are specifically for the closing cycle, the opening cycle should be set to the same approximate time. If any of the internal door position presets need adjustment from the factory defaults, you will need the programming HMI. Most common would be the full open position or partial open if used. You may review the HMI tutorial video for a full explanation of how to make those adjustments. Link in the description below. Thanks for watching.